Aloha! In today's video, we'll show you the different ways to use Ora Wellness Healthy Mouth Blend. First, to get the blend out of the bottle, simply remove the lid, fully invert the bottle, count to 3, and the drops should begin flowing. Now that we know how to get the drops out, let's explore some ways to use the blend. Option 1. Brushing. The Healthy Mouth Blend can be used on its own as a toothpaste alternative. Simply add 2 or 3 drops to your toothbrush, or directly into your mouth, and you're ready to brush your teeth. To get some remineralization benefit as well, feel free to brush with Ora Wellness Shine and the Healthy Mouth Blend at the same time. If you'd like more of a pasty feel, or if you find the Healthy Mouth Blend too spicy on its own, you can mix it with some organic coconut oil. Coconut oil has plenty of antimicrobial and antifungal properties that also support oral health, and it tends to be solid at room temperature. As long as your coconut oil isn't melted, mixing it with the blend can give it a paste-like consistency. And, for folks who have sensitive palates like children, coconut oil helps to dilute the spicy flavor of the blend. Finally, if you'd prefer, feel free to use the blend in conjunction with your normal toothpaste. Simply add a drop or 2 on top of your toothpaste and you're all set for brushing. Option 2. Flossing. Here's a pro tip to help you supercharge your flossing. Add a drop of Healthy Mouth Blend to your finger, pinch your floss between that finger and your thumb, and run your floss through that drop of blend. The blend will coat your floss string. Then, as you're flossing, the blend will get down a little deeper into your gum pockets. That's the space that exists between your teeth and gums. Doing this consistently can help address any thug bugs that are hiding in the gum pockets, which over time can help stop issues like bleeding gums. Option 3. As a mouthwash. If you're looking for a quick way to freshen your breath, the Healthy Mouth Blend can also be used as a mouthwash alternative. Take a little water, add a drop or 2 of blend, and swish like you would with a mouthwash. Then spit and, if desired, rinse. Enjoy your fresh breath. Option 4. Soothe areas of discomfort and support recovery. Is there an area in your mouth that's sensitive? Add a drop of Healthy Mouth Blend to a clean finger and gently massage it into that area. Through the years, our community has shared that applying the blend to canker sores, cold sores, abscesses, and sensitive teeth has eased their discomfort and helped speed up the body's natural recovery process. Option number 5. Boost your oil pulling practice. Try adding a drop or 2 of the Healthy Mouth Blend to your oil pulling practice. This will leave your mouth feeling nice and fresh afterwards. Now that you've seen the different ways that the blend can be used, give them a try. You don't need to use all the different options. Simply use the ones that best suit your needs. Here's a quick reference guide. Brushing with the blend is a good general application for everyone. It helps reduce plaque buildup, freshen breath, soothe sensitivity, and balance the oral microbiome. For anyone who has bleeding gums or signs of active gum disease, adding a drop of blend to your floss each day can help disrupt the colonies of bacteria that are hiding below the gum line and causing those oral health issues. Swishing with the blend in water or as part of oil pulling is the least effective method for addressing bleeding gums, but it's a quick and easy breath freshener. Folks who have a sensitive or uncomfortable area in their mouth may experience temporary relief by gently applying a drop of blend to the area as needed throughout the day. And if you find new ways to use the blend, like the folks who reported that they applied it to canker sores and cold sores to help speed up the recovery process, please share your tips in the comments so we can all benefit from any great ideas. If you're new to the Healthy Mouth Blend, you can learn more about it at orawellness.com. For a more in-depth look at each ingredient's role in the blend, check out our article, What's in the Healthy Mouth Blend and Why is it so effective? Stand up.